Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get a Mega Business account free for the first 2 months even without a credit card. Okay, let's see how to do it. Here I'm on the pricing page of the Mega website, and here we can see what are the features that come with Mega Business subscription. Here are 15 TB storage, unlimited transfer quota, and here you can see much more. The only thing we need to do to get the free account is visiting this page. This is the URL of the page, and also you can find it in the video description. Here all you can see this button, just click on it. Then it will bring you here where you can get the voucher. Type your email address here and click on send voucher. Your website says that they have sent the voucher to the given email address. Even it displayed the success message, actually it may take a few hours to several days for you to receive the voucher. It took me about a day to receive it. And this is the email I received from Mega, and here we can see the button which we should use to redeem the voucher. I open this button link in a private tab. Yeah, it took me to the registration page, and it says that we should log in or register to redeem the voucher. So if you don't have a Mega account, you can register from here. If you already have one, after logging into your Mega account, you can redeem the voucher. And please note that they are giving away vouchers for a limited time, so if you didn't receive any email from Mega even you waited so long, they have probably finished giving away vouchers, so grab your account fast. Also, I suggest you to check out this video. You will find it really useful, and I hope you guys will enjoy this offer, and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. To get more cool stuff like this, do subscribe to the channel.